Hi guys, I'm Fiona. Today's the part 2 of the last video. We just uploaded. Well, you guys are not gonna. It's not uploading right now. When you guys are seeing. So we're gonna do a recreation. We're only gonna do 2 slimes for now, and then part 3, 2 slimes, and part 4, 2 slimes. I don't know how many slimes we're gonna recreate. So I'm gonna pick this one. This one is a green apple slime. It is very sticky. It is. So what slime are you going to recreate?
I'm going to do this blue glittery one. It's very sticky. I might change the color because it's very ugly right now.
Yes. As you can see. Oh my god. I'm going to get the color out. I need blue. I added a little bit too much blue, but it's going to be pretty. Because there's a lot of slime in this batch.
I made a big batch of slime with that.
So as you can see, now it's bluish. There is still green, but then I think it's going to be really pretty, guys.
Does green and gold go well together?
I don't know, maybe.
I'm just going to make it red because I think that's the best way.
So guys, this is what it looks like. Well, it's not really completely mixed in.
Maybe yellow, yeah. We're going to make it like greenish yellow-ish. I'm going to add 2 drops so it's more yellow than...
Do you want it to be more blue? Because, like, guys, like, it looks the
very
same.
green.
Yes. Let's add...
Yeah, add a tiny bit more blue.
Yes, just like the baby bit. Okay, 1 drop is fine, because 2 drops, no good. Because I add 2 drops. Actually...
This
guys,
color
this
is not
actually
completely...
really
Yeah, this is a pretty nice
Yeah, that's
color.
gold. That's
really
gold.
nice color. And I put gold glitter in here, so it'll go well together. Okay.
So, guys...
I want to break this spoon.
Yes, me too. I don't want to break the spoon.
I'm just going to activate
Guys,
it now.
I know I haven't done vlogging on my other channel, so I'm going to start vlogging this week.
You should start it tomorrow.
Sure. Oh, the reason why she said tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to water park, so I'm going to start vlogging tomorrow.
Yeah.
Guys, what do you think? What do you think about this?
What do you think about this?
That's pretty. Let's add, like, one more blue.
It's very goldish.
I'm actually going to make this slime blue now.
Yeah.
Because this
I
sounds...
don't know why I wanted it green. Well, now it's not going to be green apple anymore.
So you better change the cap.
How do I wrote it in, like, Sharpie?
I don't know.
Oh, I know. Nail polish remover removes Sharpie. I learned that.
And shaving cream.
It does?
It does.
Okay.
From the hashtag sisters.
Okay.
Guys, does it have any difference?
Yes, it looks a lot better now.
Okay, what glitter should I use? I think I should use green. Oh, that's a little bit too much.
Oh, no.
Hey,
It
you
was
can't
a
say no to
bad
glitter.
idea
You
for
cannot
me
say no to
put
glitter.
it in my hand. So, you know, it's
Guys,
okay.
remember what we said in the part 1? There's no such thing as too much glitter.
Yes. Never say no to glitter.
Just never ever.
Okay.
So guys, this
Still
slime is
very
still very
sticky,
sticky.
this slime.
So now I'm gonna activate it.
Already
Look at my
started.
finger. It's sabotaged by the blue.
Look at my fingers. It's like died.
Okay, I'm gonna go with my hands because I don't want to break the spoon.
Yeah, me too. I already went in with my hands, but then it was still too sticky.
Now it's good, guys. Now it's good. Okay, now
Whoa,
it's
look at this. This is so nice.
Okay, I need some help. Help.
Do.
Help.
Oh yeah, it's sticking to my hands too.
Guys.
It's okay. You probably still have some in a bowl.
I do.
Like,
I don't.
okay.
I need help.
I'll help you.
Thanks. Put in the bowl. And on my hand. More. Good. Okay, good. Guys, sorry, but this is too sticky.
This is very sticky too.
Actually, I want to leave it a little
Sticky in my
sticky so we
hand.
can make it a tiny bit fishbowl. Oh my god, I'm tired.
I know, my arms are so tired.
but it's fine, guys. Doing it for the video.
Mhm.
Ooh. Oh.
Okay, I think this is all it needs, but then it's gonna be completely overactivated.
My ring is sabotaged by the slime.
You should have taken it off.
I know. I'm gonna take it off for the part 3.
Yeah. Or maybe after you finish.
When I finish. Oh, it actually got a lot better.
But still,
I
you
still
don't want it to fall off your
Yes.
finger, go inside the slime, and you never see it again.
Okay, I don't think I could take it out. Ow. Guys. Oh, actually, I took it out.
Good for you.
That's
It's
all
got some slime on it, but it's okay.
It's okay, guys.
This is a
wash
really
it.
pretty color. And look at all the glitter there is.
That's really pretty.
Oops, I just found some of this picture.
So I'm gonna add some fishbowl beads.
I think I like this just the way it is. I don't want to add anything else to it.
For that?
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Okay, that's a little bit too much. But it's fine, because this slime is really huge. It's huge.
I don't know if you can see all the glitter there is, but
It's a lot.
I know. When I made it, I put a whole packet of glitter inside there.
Oh my
Bad
God,
idea.
Hey, no such thing as too much glitter.
Yep.
Forgot. But there is really pretty beads in here.
Yeah, it looks nice that way. Oh,
Here's the recreation.
fell out.
Before it was green, now it's blue-ish. It's like teal.
And this is
And it
my
has fishbowl beads in it. And I added some glitter. So let's put it back in the container.
This is my recreation. It used to be
let me just
blue,
turn it.
now it's yellow. And it's very nice now. It was not good.
Let's move on to the next one.
Okay.
Did you already do this one?
No. I mean, yes.
I'm gonna do this one.
Oh, okay. I think I am going to...
Actually, this one doesn't need any recreation. Actually, I will do a recreation. I want a blue fish. A little bit. Just
Okay.
a tiny bit.
I think don't know. I might do... Oh, where's the gray one that I had?
Guys, we got some problem.
We lost one of the slimes.
Yes.
Did we? Okay. I don't know where it is. Oh well, we'll find it someday.
Find it soon. Soon.
Now I have this.
I'm actually gonna do half of it.
Oh my.
So one half
God.
is gonna be bluish thingy-majiggy.
I have this tiny bit of blue slime.
Just a tiny bit, remember.
I know, but it's so tiny that I don't think I should even do anything.
Guys, this is so pretty. Guys, I'm gonna freak out. I'm gonna freak out. Oh, I also have half of it. Remember I said half? Because I want to make a slime swirl because it's super pretty.
I have this pink slime. It's not really that sticky, but I kind of want to change the color of it.
Glitter time.
Don't put too much.
Okay.
It's not super sticky, this one. So I'm just going to do half and half.
What color are you gonna make for the other half?
I think I'm going to do half of it, make it like stay that way, and then the other half make it like bluish.
Oh, okay. A purplish?
I don't know how I'm going to do it, but
So let me just make a slime swirl since you guys are like, come on, make the slime swirl. Okay, I'm gonna make the slime swirl.
I need the blue, but I'm just gonna take like the tip of it and just like put it in
Guys,
here.
look at that. Look at that color. It's like a mix.
I think that's enough blue. Look at all that blue.
That's a lot of blue.
I know. I really want it to be blue and not pink. I guess.
ASMR.
You know,
We have a few
I don't
slimes.
care what color it is. I think the rest, because we only have like one more slime.
2 more.
2 more? Yeah.
The small batch and the...
And we can't find the other one.
So we're gonna do a part 3?
Yeah.
Because she has more slime that we have to figure out.
Yeah. I'm gonna
But-
add some more blue to this because I'm gonna add pink.
Yes. So now that's it. I'm gonna do another recreation again. I don't know why. Oh no! Oh no! No! No!
Okay, that's enough glue.
No! This it's a butter. Oh no! It's melted.
I know. See? Good idea.
Actually, that's a really good.
I know it's really good, but I don't
Guys,
know.
we put Diazepam in this. Really?
Yep, I put Diazepam in it.
Also, a little bit of Model Magic. Because I
No.
smell Model Magic.
I did not.
Well, I did. Remember the first time I did it, and I put some of my red.
Right. I remember now. See,
Sure.
this is like a bluish.
Guys, this is so good. Before it was hard.
I know. Okay, this is like a bluish, purplish.
Oh no. It's fine.
It's okay. We barely got any of it. See?
You can't
It's
even
like
see it.
bluish purple. I like this color.
Try to get all of the pink.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I use.
Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys.
Whoa, that's so pretty.
It's
Very pretty.
very soft. What color should I make this?
I don't know. I think you should make it more like reddish.
Okay. Let's make it a little bit darker.
Okay, that's enough food coloring. I think it's a lot. I don't know. You can see it, but it's a lot of food coloring.
It's like a lot of blue food coloring. Because she wants to make it blue or
I want
purple.
to make it blue, so then when I add the pink, it turns purple.
There's just an under half. The other half, because she only did half.
And then I'm going to activate it a little bit more.
You guys can't even see the difference. Because I didn't.
I know,
oh,
you
yeah.
can't see the difference.
This time I'm going to add 1 drop. 'Cause that time that wasn't even 1 drop.
It was like a barely any.
Okay, I think this one's going to make the biggest
I
difference
think I'm
ever.
going to add these two together now.
I want to name this strawberry shortcake.
Oh yeah, that's exactly what I was going to name that when we first made it.
Yeah. But then the thing is, strawberries are red, but this is pink. So
Look at that swirl, it's so pretty. Look at that.
butter slime swirl are always very
Yeah.
no
But-
difference though.
But when you mix two colors together, it's even better.
So we have a cloud slime right here. It's not really good, so I can't really say anything.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Okay.
Oh no, there's a bee. There's a bee.
That was a bee.
There is a bee. I'm scared.
So,
Oh no. Oh,
and
no.
we don't like bees, so that's why we ran away.
This is also a scary video.
Yes.
There is a bee right there. Okay, I'm going in. Okay.
You are.
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh my god, guys.
I think
We're
the
gonna go.
bee's on the other side now.
Sorry guys, but we're gonna go in. Because the bee is no good.
I know it's not.
We're gonna go in now. Now, right now. We're gonna leave everything out except for the slime that we're recreating.
Yep. Let's just like do it right.
Bye guys. Sorry. It's a very scary video.